yields. In international trade theory, the offer curve is a graphical tool that shows how much of one good a country is willing to export in exchange for another good at different terms of trade. The offer curve is also known as the Reciprocal Demand Curve.
The concept was developed by Alfred Marshall and Francis Edgeworth to explain J.S. Mill's theory of reciprocal demand.
The offer curve shows the quantity of exports a country is willing to offer for various quantities of imports. To derive the offer curve, we assume two countries, two goods, and free trade. Country A exports cloth and imports steel, while country B exports steel and imports cloth. Under autarky, country A produces and consumes at a point where its indifference curve is tangent to its production possibility frontier.
This tangency point determines the domestic price ratio before trade.
Production shifts to the point where the international price line touches the PPF.
Consumption occurs at a higher indifference curve, where the price line touches it. The difference between production and consumption creates the trade triangle.
The horizontal side of the trade triangle measures exports.
The vertical side of the trade triangle measures imports. Different international prices create different trade triangles. Each trade triangle gives 1 point, showing exports and imports. Joining all these points forms the offer curve. The offer curve normally slopes upward, showing greater exports for greater imports. If import demand is inelastic, the offer curve may bend backward. The equilibrium terms of trade are determined by the intersection of the two countries' offer curves. At equilibrium, both countries' export and import demands are satisfied. The offer curve helps explain how gains from trade are distributed between countries. It also shows the effects of tariffs, elasticities, and trade policies. In summary, the offer curve provides a complete graphical explanation of international trade equilibrium.
It remains a key concept in both classical and modern international trade theory.